Today we're going to solve problems involving long division sent to us by grade 10 students from the Philippines. Process. Dividing polynomials using long division has the same process with long division of whole numbers. These are the steps in dividing polynomials using long division. 1. Arrange the dividend and the divisor in decreasing powers of exponents. Take note that you need to insert zeros as coefficient of the missing terms of each polynomial if necessary. Number 2. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 3. Multiply the partial quotient to the divisor. 4. Subtract the result from the dividend. 5. Bring down the next term in the dividend. And repeat the process until done. Question number 2. Our divisor is x minus 2, so we will write that outside the division sign. Our dividend is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. So now we need to divide the first term of our dividend by the first term of our divisor, which is x. Using quotient rule, we subtract the powers, so the answer is x squared. X squared is the first term of our answer. Now we need to multiply the divisor by x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Now we need to subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. Negative 4x squared minus negative 2, that's negative 2x squared. And then we will bring down the plus 2x. Repeating the process, we need to divide the first term, negative 2x squared, by the first term of our divisor, x. Negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. Subtracting the powers 2 and 1, that is x to the first. So minus 2x is the second term of our answer. Now we need to multiply the divisor by negative 2x. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 2, we have plus 4x. Then we subtract. Negative 2x squared minus negative 2x squared is 0. 2x minus 4x, that's negative 2x. Now we bring down the last term, positive 5. Repeating the process, we're dividing the first term, negative 2x, by the first term of our divisor, x. X and x will cancel out, so the answer is negative 2. So for the answer, we have minus 2, and then we multiply the divisor x minus 2 by negative 2. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2, we have plus 4. So now we're subtracting. Negative 2x minus negative 2x is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 here is the remainder. So we will write the answer as x squared minus 2x minus 2. And there is a remainder of 1, so we will write that plus 1 over the divisor x minus 2. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.